Hi, my name is James with Pristine Metal Refiners. In this video today, I just wanted to talk a little bit about a frequently asked question that I get, and that is, what is the difference between gold-filled jewelry, gold-plated jewelry, gold vermeil, and solid gold? And I wanted to break that down a little bit just so that there's a little bit better understanding of what those different types of jewelry are. So we'll start with gold, solid gold jewelry. Obviously, that's like the name implies. It's a piece of jewelry that is solid gold all the way through. It's not hollow. It is not filled with anything. It is just pure gold, or as close to pure gold as you can get in jewelry, meaning that it's going to be something like 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, the things you're typically used to hearing. After that, you have gold plated, and what that is basically, it can be steel, it can be any other type of base metal like copper, a lot of times copper, and what it is a very, very microscopically thin layer of gold, usually like 1 to 2 microns thick, which is basically nothing, and it's not very durable, and it can wear off within a few months if you're wearing it every day. So there's really not any gold value per se to a gold-plated item. Then you move into the gold vermeil, and that's going to be a thicker layer of gold. That will usually be somewhere in the neighborhood of 2.5 to 3 microns, but it is going to be layered over usually silver. So there is value in those pieces because it's silver, usually 925, with a thin layer of gold over it. Then moving into the gold filled items, that is where you start to get more value, because you will typically see like a 1-20, 1-10, and then either 12 karat or 14 karat or 10 karat. And what that typically means is that 1/20th or 1/10th of the weight of that item is going to be gold weight. So it's a measurable amount of gold, giving that item a value that is able to be determined by the actual weight. The last thing that you'll sometimes find, and I want to mention, is RGP. You'll see RGP marked on a piece of jewelry, and that stands for rolled gold plate. And that can be somewhat confusing sometimes to people because they think, oh, well, that's a plated item, and it is. But rolled gold plate is typically much thicker than just a normal plated item. It's less thick than gold filled, but it's much thicker than gold vermeil or gold plated. Typically what I've seen for rolled gold plate would be somewhere in the neighborhood of like 1/40th to 1/50th of the weight would be that the RGP. So hopefully these explanations clear things up a little bit and give you a little better understanding of what these different things are. We buy all of these things. We do not buy gold plated items, regular gold plated, but we do buy rolled gold plate, gold fill, gold vermeil, silver, platinum, obviously karat gold. So if you have any questions, always feel free to ask, but hopefully this will clear up a few of the questions that I've been asked quite a bit. We'll see you in the next video.